Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, well, we are taking a look at Nvidia's stock going in this week. What can we be expecting in the price action now? As you have seen on the thumbnail of this video as well, Nvidia's supply zone test has begun. Now this area, I have been telling you from many videos, last couple of videos, that guys, the supply zone will react. We will see a sell-off. It's not just a pullback. It's a really, reactionary sell-off because we are still in that massive supply zone. And I mentioned that this is still an unreacted supply zone. So we will see price react here massively. We are seeing that sell-off in that previous supply zone. I'm not surprised to see it. That's why I say keep taking partial profits. But the question is now, are we bearish? Is this is over again? Or can Nvidia still pull through up, and will the bulls prevail? So in this video, very concise, in next couple of minutes, you will get to know everything what you need to watch in the price action. So now, overall structure, I would say we are still just fine. Technically, we'll still have to take this as a pullback. Structure is still bullish. We are still in higher highs, higher lows. Simply put it that way. What is the zone until where pullback will just constitute just as a pullback and we won't break the structure? And that will be this zone. This is around 138 and 70 cents all the way to $140 and 90 cents area. As long as over on the daily interval pullback stays above it, we are still just fine. But is the pullback completed? Is this the time to buy? Well, for that, we'll have to go to the hourly interval to identify, is the hourly interval giving us that confirmation of start of an uptrend again, right? While keeping the daily structure still in the pullback. So right now, no. And as you know, on Friday morning, yesterday morning, I gave you this blue box that as if we lose this, we will come down to this significant level that is below down here, right? We got precisely to that significant level. My tools marks all of these levels automatically for you. And so, however, now though, Nvidia right now is in the downtrend on the lower time frame, intraday, all right? Overall structure is just a pullback. Until this zone, as I gave you, there is a room that Nvidia can come all the way down to. So let's say if it continues to lose 141 and 93 cents, there is a possibility, high likelihood, we'll find a bounce closer to 200 hours moving average with this blue box zone of $140 area. And if this bounce happens, let's say after coming back down here and we get above 141 and 93 cents, that will start to mark as the daily interval level pullback completing itself. And on the hourly interval, strength will start to come intraday uptrend. Now, we would react. Now, this because we have lost a structure on the hourly interval. We are technically negative. We do have a lower high, lower low already. Okay, so the first time I expect Nvidia to reject at this level of $144.32, this very zone area. So it's not that even if we rebound, we're just gonna continue up. No, it's gonna take a day or two again. Very similar case like Tesla that I have explained on Tesla videos. But for now, if any rebound comes here for a day or so on intraday, it will just be a rebound back to the level of 143 or 144. And if we just get above straight after that, above 144, that's great right away. That's then okay, full on speed up again, right? However, the better way would be, and which most likely will be the case, is that even if we rebound and we sell off, we want to see a higher pivot hold here. And that then we'll start to see if now higher highs, higher lows are forming, uptrend is forming. Otherwise, right now, no. Intraday, we'll have to wait and watch. $140 area is an area of a potential rebound and bounce, but that will only, the bounce, whenever bounce would come, that's very likely until 143 to 144, but that will just be a bounce. Nothing more than that for the first time of this bounce. We'll have to then wait and see what it does if it starts to do the pullback. In other words, take some partial profits here if you're trading that rebound. Definitely, as I said, we are not swing short. Technically, we are just going through a pullback, and yes, intraday we are negative, we are bearish. You can trade day trade short, no problems with that. But just remember, this is the zone you are watching for when the pullback most likely will start to show us some price reactions. So you gotta size out or size in based on what the direction you are trading and what interval or your horizon of trade is, right? Now, since on the weekly interval, now this is the last part I want to go over in this video, overall structure, guys, is still bullish. And on the weekly interval, that's fine. This is still just a pullback. Nvidia is just fine. It held that support zone at $132, two demand candles with double bottom almost here. This is just a pullback. I'm not worried on the weekly interval right now. $140 area is just fine. As long as we hold above it, we are just fine. We The bigger problem on Nvidia, the bigger long-term problem on Nvidia is only if we close a week below $132. Am I seeing that happening this coming week? No. Nvidia is still just fine, but this is what you are watching going in this week as for the levels and the type of a moves that we are watching. And that's all I have for you guys in this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description of this video. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.